communication and culture. Listen to a conversation between Nam and Mai about learning English with video. Decide whether the following statements are true, T, or false, F.
What do you think of the video clips we watched in our English classes?
I like them because they are interesting. The language is authentic and they help me to improve my English. How about you?
Well, I think some videos were interesting and helped me to learn things like new expressions, but most of them were just entertaining and time-consuming.
Which ones?
You know, many of us had already watched the series about Mr. Bean and the IT crowd before we saw them in class. I think it was a waste of time to watch them again.
I had also seen most of the episodes, but I still liked watching them in class with no subtitles. And I enjoyed discussing the ideas with my classmates.
Well, I didn't have much to say. These series are very popular and repeated frequently on many domestic TV channels. You can also see them on many social media websites for free. I think our English teacher should choose less familiar films or TV series.
You might be right. My brother's teacher asks her students to vote for the videos they want to watch, and sometimes even lets them bring in DVDs related to the themes of the lessons.
Sounds like a great idea.
Yes, but I still think that our teacher should choose the content. Not all videos are suitable to watch in class.